Yeah, my first love, hip hop, I love it. Been rapping since I was 12. I started writing my first rap at 12. What's up, son? Love you. Active, young actor. What up, boy? 38 years old, still rapping, man. I don't care. I don't care what none of y'all think. I love it. I'ma keep on doing it. Yeah. What's this one name? Let me think. This one, get your driver's license, man. You know what I'm saying? You 16 years old now, you get your driver's license. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can get your driver's license now, man. Yeah, yeah. You get your driver's license. Yeah, check it out. Now you 16, you can get your driver's license. And you know you can get it, and then you be the nicest. And you can get your permit, but your mom gotta ride with you. That's how we do it like this, and that's how we do it. We keep it smooth. We in the groove. This is nothing but a freestyle. I ain't even write this down. I'm just coming off the dome. It's all good. But you know you can drive to work and then drive back home. That's how I do it like this, and then you know you in Las Vegas. And then you know you can just drive around your friends. And then let's do it again. And then you're gonna win. And get the driver's license and take your driver's license test, whichever one you wanna take. That's how we make and get your driver's license so you can drive a cruise. That's how I do it, and then you can drive to your job, your part-time job that you work in your part-time job. Get your driver's license. Yeah, get your driver's license. 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 Yo, when you get your driver's license, man, you be styling. Then you can take your friends, y'all can just be riding and cruising. But you know, like this, it ain't no fair. It ain't even no fair. Extra money for some gas, because they ain't gonna give it to you if you don't ask. They'll just be using you up, bruh. So just get that money for the gas, but don't ride with them. You don't even know if they got drugs in the car. If they still in the robbing, you don't wanna be caught for conspiracy. That's how I do it, G. Cause it was a dude got caught conspiracy. That's what Pastor Jefferson said. This dude got caught for conspiracy. He was working at Long John Silver, just like me. He got in the car, and then they had let him hold a gun. And then when he went to jail, they had fingerprints on the gun. Yep, 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 yep. So get your driver's license. Yeah, get your driver's license. Hey, and get your driver's license. And get your driver's license. Yeah, get your driver's license, son. You know, but be careful, you know what I'm saying? But don't drive with nobody else, man. If you don't really know them, you know what I'm saying? If they ain't got no job and they making money, they probably be selling drugs, robbing or whatever. So don't be doing that, dog. You know what I'm saying? Hey, get your driver's license and get your driver's license. Take that, take the test.